Well, we're back at it again, filing this bracket down for a little bit of a cruise today since we got some sun, unlike yesterday where it was snowing 3 inches and every bit of it melted. And we'll see after this if we can finally fix a dent in my hood. We are making friends. I'm about to head out on this cruise. Oh, we still got some sunlight. It's just years ISF looking so good. Got his new carbon fiber spoiler on. So we're gonna link up at the top of the parking garage and go from there. Anyone else stopping for gas?
Wait, how much gas do you need?
I'm on a quarter tank, so.
Okay, we're going to Keystone and we'll get gas there.
Cool. Jesus.
I like it so much because I wouldn't pick that color, but I love it. I just wouldn't get it. I wouldn't pick it, but I love it.
That's the slowest I've ever seen him drive in here. Yeah. What the hell's that about?
Parking ticket's gone in.
Well, we got pretty good lineup here today. Not bad for a Sunday. 50 degrees. I mean, not even that. 40 degrees.
What's going on? Yeah, she's here. He tells me. Normally he does stuff like that. I was like, yeah, but you don't want this guy. This guy driving hard is a different type of driving hard.
You almost fishtailed twice.
Yeah, this dude's just hard.
Do the clean before we head out, but I was just busy and then
some people need gas.
Yeah, I need gas.
Yeah, if you look at the...
Is there a gas station that people prefer?
Shell.
Because I'm a Shell type
Yeah.
guy as well. But the closest Shell is actually down the street, like in front of that Walmart. I like
that.
So like that's always good.
Anything with 93, I'm fine with 93. I mean, it's all pretty similar nowadays. My man.
It was so much fun pulling with you.
Yeah, it's gonna happen again.
It's gonna happen again, yeah, for sure.
It's a little cold, but
Nasty Nate got me a little bit. On 2 of the runs. So congratulations. Congratulations.
Yeah, he did get you.
what have you done to your car?
Stock.
That's nuts, man.
We got weight reduction. All right, so then. No one really.
Yeah, my hubcap's gone, so, you know, every bit counts.
The closest Shell is not that close. No, it's very close. If you go south here, it's in front of Walmart. Yeah. It's like 2 miles, I guess, from here. That's far down that shitty ass road. It's a very shitty ass. It's really bad after what 62. Yeah, it's terrible. But anyway, that's fine. I'm fine with that. We can just go there. Let's go there, and then we'll come back and we'll just go on the highway. Because with this many cars, we can't do anything. Yeah. C43
Josh? Tark?
Did you do this after market?
You know, he's the reason that I bought my E63 car.
I work at the Benz dealer.
All right, he's the reason I bought my...
Okay, wow.
Gas station takeover. $267 for premium? That's not bad.
No, that's why I drove from Kokomo this morning. I'm just gonna go ahead and fill
I know. Alright, we got a full tank of gas. We're gonna meet up at a location where we don't get stopped by 3 different stoplights. Then we're gonna start to have some fun. I gotta figure out if I want to put on my head mount or if I want to just keep holding it. Head mount is awesome, but it keeps switching the view that I'm in. Somehow, no idea, switching from photo to, or from video to photo and linear to super zoom. Stack them deep. Oh yeah, he can fit in anywhere right there. Oh yeah.
And there's 2 more cops right here on this exit.
How did you know?
He slowed down. No, I don't. But I just like look all the time.
Yeah, you got to, man.
I don't fuck with those guys, dude. And they're scared again.
I kept watching you.
I was only going 80.
Yeah.
My heart,
Did you see one? Did you see it?
They saw one. They saw one at the bridge, and then
Oh,
they were
man.
ahead of
well,
them.
that's why I was like, I'm not about to get right back on the highway. We can all get a drink from Starbucks.
Yeah, we can chill. It's good to chill for a minute.
That's why I was like, this is a good spot.
Oh yeah.
To come here anyway.
That was chill. That was fun.
Well, and so you can go. So I used to come up here all the time. That's why I knew that there was too much traffic on 465.
Yeah,
it wasn't even fun. So then the 65 maneuver, everything's safe, but when you start to get to exit ramps, these fuckers are always hiding anything. There's two of them right here.
Underneath the bridge. Yeah.
No. He was moving underneath the bridge, but if you look, like when I took a right here to Starbucks, there's two sitting right on the other side of this ramp. That guy. So there was three total.
They would have messed with us either way. It didn't matter how fast we were going.
Again, if he would have pulled me over, I was gonna say, dude, I was doing 70. I mean, and that's the other reason why I like this, because 465 is like dumb.
Yeah,
It's like
465 is nuts. Yeah.
It's like, it just makes no sense. But this is 70, so like, at least if we get busted going like 80 or 90,
It's not going
it's not going like, you're like reckless. So I'm about to get free.
I'm going to jail.
No, you're not gonna go to jail.
You're fine. You're chilling. You really thought you'd get impounded?
Dude, I got pulled over on 465 for a turn signal.
They're dumb, dude.
A turn signal.
Gotten impounded at all.
Okay, well, you would write this on my record.
We gotta wait for the rest of them. So we'll see how this turns out. I slipped my GoPro in my pocket and it fell straight to the ground, cracked my screen. Uh-oh. Have to race. It's nice to cruise together sometimes. That's not bad.
Sounds good.
Yeah. Does it sound loud when you're driving down the highway?
Yeah, you can definitely hear it. Even with my windows up, you can definitely hear it.
When you do your 5 eyes, I'm like, oh, there he goes.
Yeah, you're definitely louder than you think. Especially under load. Like
You
under
want-
proper load on the highway.
You want to give me one more good one from this side?
Yeah, sure.
Few little blips.
Yeah.
That's wild.
Yeah, it sounds good.
I thought it was so much more quiet than that.
Really?
So once I get the
Well, you're
cats,
in the car too.
huh?
You're in the
Yeah,
car
and there's
too.
so much sound deadening material. Once I get rid of those cats, it's gonna sound wicked.
Have you heard Bargov's car?
Well guys, we are back. We had a fun little cruise, but I broke the GoPro and we're still hitting. So on that note, till next time.